How's it going, guys? This is Dean with Smith Carpentry. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got another video of me installing a new sink base floor, cabinet floor replacement. Hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so here we go with the sink floor base. Cutting out all the old rotted floor. Cutting carefully against the face frame that was hot glued on, as far as I can remember. And got that puppy out of there. And then you're going to see me working on trying to finish off the connection to the face frame here. So I went and I cut some little blocks. That way I could bang on the face frame without the face frame joints coming apart. And just kind of nibbling at it. I knifed it. I took the 5-in-1 to it. Oh, looks like I'm taking a break from it all. And pulling the staples out of the back panel. That was quite tedious. And here we go, knifing at it some more. Took some trash out. Got some gloves so I could hold the knife blade. Started to chisel it a little bit. But, you know, it's got to be cleaned off so that joint can get nice and pretty. Alright, there we are, about halfway through, pretending I have B-roll, but I don't really. Alright, got some pieces roughly cut. Now we'll be nibbling at them, trying to get them all tight and perfect. Lots of dry fitting. Nobody knows the real term. I guess could be either. Now I got a little strip going on the back to catch that front end of those replacement panels. And there was no way to get a full piece in there. I don't even think you could get two. So I cut it into thirds. And just about got her all fitted up. Started putting blocks in for a change of pace. Well, now that I knew where everything was going to sit, yeah, I was going to get those blocks for some more support. And I put Craig screws in there. Pocket screws. Forgot what those were called. Got some pocket screws in there. To the floor, to the back. Everything was tri-fitted about 50 times. Dry fitted. There we go. Glued up, nail it off. Favorite time of the day. Then it goes back to messing around with tools. Putting them in the van for an hour. All done. It's pretty snazzy. Look at that, that's snazzy. Can you even tell where the seams are? I can't. Some of that left side's a little bowed and stuff like that, but without removing the panel on the left side, there's nothing you can do. Just got warped from everything. Well, alright folks, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.